All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So expect. So to think or be sure that something is going to happen or be there. I expect they'll be here now. I'm expecting you here tomorrow. I expect them to arrive on time. Yeah. How cool is that? I expect it will be here soon. Yeah. When else? When do you expect the parcel to arrive? When is it going to arrive? I expected the book to arrive days ago. Yeah, this book. I expected it to arrive yesterday, not today. Yeah, very good. They all expect it to arrive on time. We think they expect too much. Too much. Ugh. Too much. Yeah. He expected it last night. She expected them to be here yesterday. She expected them to be here yesterday. Yeah. I did not expect anything. I didn't expect anything. Nothing. Yeah. She is expecting me now. She's expecting me now. Yeah, we need to be there. We're expected. We're expected. Yes. I am expecting to arrive any time now. So we expect that the plane to land in 1 hour. So we expect it to land in 1 hour, roughly. Yeah, it depends on stuff. But we shall see. So she is expecting a new baby. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use expect in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanshev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.